it down.
Body-worn video cameras are worn by officers assigned to patrol duties. In 2018, the Nevada legislature mandated the use of body-worn cameras by uniformed officers no later than July 1 of 2018. Sparks Police instituted the use of body-worn video cameras by uniformed patrol officers in June of 2018. This was the first officer-involved shooting in Washoe County captured by body-worn video cameras.
Hello. Good, how are you? Good. You getting along with everybody today?
Excuse me?
Are you getting along with everyone today?
You gonna shoot me?
No.
Go ahead, do it.
I'm not gonna shoot you.
Go ahead, do it.
I'm just saying hi to you.
Why are you over here by yourself?
I'm actually not even here to talk to you. I'm going to someone else.
Okay, go ahead. This is my house. I'm in my house. I got the right to be over here.
Yeah? Did you get in a fight with a guy on a skateboard today?
Nope. Did you? How do you know that?
Someone called me and said a guy got in a fight with a dude on a skateboard today.
Really?
Yeah?
Well, go arrest him because I don't know nobody.
Okay. Hello, Sparks, please.
Hi.
Hi. Did you call us?
Yep.
Cool. What's your name?
Nick.
Nick. What's going on, Nick?
And he punched me in the face, and then took my board, and I ran away, back up from him. He takes my board, and then ran inside his house with my board, and then his wife said, run, because I wanted to go get my board, chase him inside his house, and then his wife said, run, because he's going to do something to me. He has, like, weapons and stuff. That's what his wife said. So I decided to run back to my house, just call the cops, because I don't want to deal. I want my skateboard back.
Right. I do what it says, but I don't know. So I'm going to wait for the return of the lights to come back.
Can no coming in here?
Oh, okay.
Without a judge.
Oh, okay, cool. Can you come out and talk to me?
No, I don't have nothing to talk to you. You cannot come in here without a judge order.
Oh, okay,
Turn
cool.
around and leave.
Cool. What's your name?
If you're gonna arrest me,
Hey.
you need to. Okay, you're breaking your own law.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. This
No.
is my property.
No, I'm not breaking any law.
You cannot come in my property without any incident.
Sir.
Okay, listen. Listen.
No, you listen. We came over to talk to you about something
No.
that happened.
Okay, about what?
Did something happen between you and a kid today?
Okay, how do you know? How do you come in and blame me for something I got nothing to
I
do?
didn't say we blamed you.
Oh, what do you?
I said I'm
what are
asking
you
you about it.
Oh, okay, you know the law. Okay, you need to, in order to come into my
Okay.
property, you need to come in.
No, listen. We are asking you questions about it because somebody said you were involved.
Don't knock the door. Don't knock the door.
Oh, I'm going to knock it.
Don't knock the door.
Oh, I'm going to.
Don't knock the door.
Hello, Sparks, please.
You need to, don't open the door, sir.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Can you open the door so I can talk to you for a minute?
Sir.
It's probably for your own safety.
Hey.
Hey.
Gun.
Gun! Hey! Hey!
Put it down. Put it down.
Put the gun down!
Down.
Put the gun down!
Put it down.
Put the gun down!
Put it down.
Put the gun down!
Down.
Put the gun down!
The gun
Put
down.
the gun down! Put the gun down!
You are a thief.
Put the gun
Not
down!
a thief. Sir, put the gun down.
Put it down!
Go ahead, shoot.
Put the gun down!
Shoot.
Drop it! Drop the gun!
Put the gun down.
Put the gun down!
Put it down.
Move, move, move! One down, one down!
Sparks 311, shots fired, one down. Eli, you good?
Yes, I'm good.
Okay, I'm good. Sparks 311, shots fired, one male down. Officers are code 4. We have one down in. We have one in the house. Start medics.
Copy, one down. Officers code 4.
Gun down! Put the 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 gun down! You are a thief. Put the
We
gun
are not
down.
a thief, sir. Put the gun down.
Put it down! Put the gun down! Shoot! Drop it!
Sparks 371.
Drop the gun!
Put the gun down.
Put the gun down!
Put it down.
One down.
Shots fired, one down.
Eli, you good?
Yes, I'm good. Are you?
Good.
We have one down. We have one in the house. Start medics.
Copy, one down. Officers code 4. 3 of them.
I got gun on him. Can you try to make contact with the girl inside, Eli? You good?
Yeah. Please come to the door.
Ma'am, can you please come
Ma'am,
out?
please come out here. I'm holstering.
Please come out, ma'am.
Ma'am, please come to the door. Come here, please. Please come. No, please come. Please come. Are you okay? Are you okay? Here, please come over here. Ma'am, are you okay?
Déjame ver a mi esposo.
Ma'am,
Please.
I understand. We just need to make sure you're okay. Are you okay? Is anyone else here at home?
In my house.
Is anyone here? Who else is here?
My God. What happened? Oh my God.
Ma'am, come
My
inside.
please.
Come inside, have a seat.
My God. My God. Please. Yo no he hecho nada.
Have a seat, please,
Oh my
please, please,
God.
please.
What happened?
What's his name?
Rolando. Oh my God.
Rolando?
Rolando Brizuela.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Brian, are you okay?
The suspect was later identified as 57-year-old Sparks resident Rolando Brizuela. During the investigation, detectives located the victim's skateboard in the enclosed porch of Brizuela's residence, confirming that the reported robbery had occurred. Brizuela was also found to have in his possession a black semi-automatic handgun. The firearm was loaded with a round in the chamber, making it ready to fire. An empty box of ammunition matching the caliber of Brizuela's firearm was also located on a table next to Brizuela.